Hey everyone, this is my, look at his face. This is my little Robbie the robot. Sorry, I love his goofy little face. This little dude is made by TOMY. He's branded as RadioShack over here in the US. I'm sure we got TOMY versions too, but I've only seen the RadioShack version. I actually had one of these as a kid, kind of. Indirectly. My dad had a junkyard towing company kind of thing. I'm sorry, I'm distracted by his adorable little face. On his desk was this little Robbie the robot, and I loved this guy so much. When my dad got rid of the company, unfortunately Robbie went with him. So this is not my original Robbie. This I actually picked up at a flea market, and when I saw him, I was so excited because I got all of my childhood memories again. I was like, oh my God, I missed this little goofy guy. Who is Robbie the robot? Well, for those who first thought of the Nintendo Rob the robot, that one actually came out after this little goober. So he's a little piggy bank made by TOMY. And you put a little coin on here, and he's supposed to eat the coin, and I remember him dancing. That's all I remember, but currently, he doesn't do anything. So I don't know what's wrong with him. I do have a battery in there currently. Come out. Ugh. I do have a battery. That battery should be good. I just charged it, so I don't think it's gonna be an issue of the battery. Let's double check. No, 1.38. That should be good enough. And we are getting it on both terminals, so it's not a connectivity issue. Well, let's see if we can figure out, why is Robbie not dancing for us? I need happy Robbie again in my life. Come on, battery. Terminals look good. I don't see anything wrong with the battery terminals. Those look fine. Let's check out maybe the power switch. Oh, and I will point out he's in the off position right now, sorry. But I was testing him out on the on position. I'm realizing that, let's put him into on. Still not doing anything. All right, let's see. Let's see if we have continuity. I think between these wires we should have continuity, I think. Okay. I think that's good. I actually don't know how we get deeper into this. Do we have to go through the top here? If we want to go deeper, I think we have to go through his lid. I don't want to scuff him up. I need a thinner little probe here to try to get deeper in there. Come on up. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm trying to be gentle with you, bud. There we go. There's his inner workings. So where's our issue? Is there a screw under here? I hope not. I don't know where the screw is going to take me, but we're going to find out. Okay, that did not get me any closer to where we need to be. We have screws up top here. Did I lose a screw already? Yeah, I did. How did I lose a screw? I see one screw and I've taken two out. Oh, there it is. There's the other one. Okay. Let's not lose parts here. Because I don't know if these top screws are going to be different than those. I think they're the same, but... Okay, what did that do? All right, there we go. Now his head's off. How do we get deeper? What does that do? Okay. Now where are we going? Oh, that's held together with tape. So how does this work? We have, this is his little arm that's supposed to trigger him eating the coin. So what happens? This is supposed to go down and then it forces him to eat. But what is actually happening mechanically when that happens? I really don't know what this little metal contact is for. I'm not smart enough. All right, should we attempt to remove the tape here? Okay, let's take you out here. All right, let's remember this was like this. Oh. Okay, we go there. All right, that's going where that's supposed to go. That looks kind of terrible. I doubt that that's our issue, but we got a lot of corrosion over here. Could that be our entire issue? Is that bit of corrosion? I highly doubt that's our issue, but we're just gonna clean this off either way. It's kind of gross looking. Okay. I guess we should literally just start it at the batteries themselves. Oh, whoa, what did I do? What did I even do? What did I even do? I don't even know. I don't even know what I did. Okay. Was that just dirty? What did I do? Why do you work now? Okay, well, I think something was just dirty and I think I must have cleaned off something. Let's, I guess, keep cleaning this up. Maybe these contacts were dirty here. Maybe just, I mean, these battery contacts are disgusting on this side. So maybe it was just dirty there and it just wasn't getting through. Guys, I don't even know what I did. I think I must have cleaned something off. Okay, well, I guess let's put this back together. I hope I remember how to put this back together. Okay, I want to clean up his little feet. They're gross. I'm gonna do a better job cleaning him once he's actually working. All right, buddy, let's put your little feet back together. I'm not putting your skull on yet because I am hoping that you work, but I have not convinced myself fully that I actually fixed you yet. I saw you working. We'll put your little head back together once I'm confident that I put you back together correctly. Okay. Let's throw a battery in it. How did I lose that battery? Oh, it's right here. Oh. He's doing the thing. Okay, so if we push down on this, should... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think the motor is just tired because it's very old. So it has not worked in, I'm sure, many years. I think it's fine. We're gonna test this with an actual coin to see what he does. Look at this cute little boy. I love him. So he's supposed to dance about, but I think it might just be the surface he's on or the motor is just getting tired. But if you look closely at the feet here, I don't know if I can get a good angle with the light, but if you look closely at the feet here, they are actually moving left and right. So it might just be the surface that he's on is the reason that he's not like bouncing back and forth, or honestly the motor's just really tired, and it might just break free over time, because the more I've been cycling him through, he's been struggling less and less. So I'm sure because this motor's been sitting for such a long time, he might just need, you know, to cycle a few more times for the motor to just break free. I love him. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. All right, let's put his little head back on, and I'm gonna clean up the rest of him because he's still kind of dirty. Okay, he's all back together now, and I gave him a quick wipe down with one of those Clorox wipes, and he is looking happy. I love his little goober face. But yeah, this is the TOMY Robbie, or the RadioShack Robbie, little piggy bank here. And I love this little goober. I have such fond memories of him from when I was a child. Hope this video was entertaining. Sorry, I don't have like a resolution of what I did to fix it. Something was dirty on the inside, and he's now less dirty, but now he can go back to eating change like the hungry boy that he is. So, hope this was entertaining. Did you guys have Robbie growing up? Oh no, his lid's not on properly. There we go. Let me know, did you guys have one of these little Robbie, little robot bankers? Or did you have something similar that's a just kind of childhood staple, little goofy thing like this? Cool. Anyways, I appreciate you all. I love you all. Have a wonderful evening.